Hi guys, Viv, the Caribbean team preferred real estate broker selling the American dream. So I am down here in Davenport, Florida. We're gonna go in and take a look at this 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's 2 stories, 2-car garage. Let's go right in. You walk in, you can see nice long hallway along with your half a bathroom. And look how open this plan is. It's like, whoa, lots and lots and lots of room. 2-car garage. Your stainless steel appliances. New construction, so builders are given some incentive. Contact us and see what kind of incentive that the builders are given, such as buy down rate, closing cost assistant, anything like that. Okay, so that's your downstairs, and this home, all your bedrooms are upstairs and all your living space are downstairs. A great space. Got me a message below if you'd like some more information on this home or any other home. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this home. Again, 2-story home. We're gonna take you upstairs in a little bit so you can see what the upstairs looks like. So join me upstairs. Walking, and we're walking upstairs. Looking for a 2-story home, and we're gonna go and then have like a little landing space right here where you can maybe put a desk or something sitting for the children to sit on while they're doing their homework. Bedroom, and good sized closet, as you can see. Bedroom, and bathroom. So this is what you call a Jack and Jill, where you can have a boy, a girl, and a girl over here. And the bathroom is right in the middle, okay? Laundry. If you don't want to go downstairs to do your laundry, perfect place. And bedroom. Right, so good space. And good price as well for a 5-bedroom home. Really good space. Okay, so now we head to our ensuite and show you what that looks like. Bright, nice and bright. You walk in, you can see your sink. You have 2 sinks. And then you have your walk-in shower. Okay, and then you also have your walk-in closet as well. So, good space. That concludes this 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. Looking for some more information, let me know. Leave me a message in the comments section, and I'll be happy to send you back some information. Again, Viv, the Caribbean team, preferred real estate brokers selling the American dream here in Central Florida. Welcome to Construction Zone. Talk to you later.